what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am on a vlogging roll. I'm super proud of the fact that I've been vlogging and it's a Sunday today. We're off to Costco because this is what we do as married adults, boring couples. On a Sunday we go to Costco because we need crockery. So last night we hosted and we realized that even with just hosting one person, at the end of the night all our dishes were in the dishwasher. Like we ran out of plates. So hame realize hua that my parents are actually visiting us in just 4 days, which I'm super excited about, and they're going to be staying here. At least my mom is going to stay here for at least a month. So we need crockery, and this guy has finally convinced me. If you've been watching the previous vlogs, you know the juicer conversation. This guy finally convinced me we need to buy a juicer. So आज का Sunday plan है shopping for like boring adult people. I'm sorry, I'm gonna call it boring because even मुझे अजीब लग रहा है कि like how is this my Sunday morning plan? We just had breakfast and we're out to buy a juicer. Are you excited about the juicers, mister?
Oh yes, absolutely. I'm a boring adult man, so I have to be excited about the juicer.
You have to be?
Yes.
It's your wish list thing. You want the juicer. Tell us what kind of juices are you planning on making?
I'm going to make like cold pressed juices. It's that kind of juicer. Because centrifugal juices put a lot of heat in juices and it burns a lot of nutrients. So that's why I want a cold pressed one, because it's very healthy for you.
It's gonna be all healthy and we're gonna have cold pressed juices. I have no idea हम निकालेंगे कैसे. So juicers में दो टाइप के juicer आते हैं. एक होता है जो citrus fruits का जूस निकालता है और एक होता है जो apple, beetroot, carrot इन चीज़ों का जूस निकाल देता है. So उसमें भी it's not like I can make orange juice if I buy one type of juicer. I need two different kinds of juicer to make.
So जो हमारे पास घर में that is called centrifugal juicer.
We have a juicer?
अरे जो normal है blender.
Blender, okay. Oh right. I don't know. I'm gonna learn a lot about juicers today, and you guys are gonna come with me. Look at his outfit for Costco. Would you like to tell us the story behind this outfit, sir?
No.
No?
The thing is bought 3-4 months ago, and this was bought 3 years ago.
3 years ago, and it's matching like exactly. And you guys can't see his socks, but his socks also match.
See, my socks are matching the whole thing, and then my shoes ke colors are also matching the two colors on these clothes.
Our very own Ranveer Singh, Sunday launch fashion. Look at what is wrong with your hair. He looks like Albert Einstein today. I've been telling him. All his hair is all over the place.
I wish I was Albert Einstein.
Oh God. Don't get distracted. Our first purchase has been this, which was not even on the list, but it's just so cool. So we got that, and we're still on our way to find the juicer. But this is how you get distracted. You see, like, okay, $20. Oh my God, this is super heavy. I can't, not what I would do with it. And then we have plates. This is what we do on Sundays, guys. Just look at all of this dreamland. This is the next set of plates that we're thinking. They're a little too plain, but I'm not sure. But it's a really good price. Oh, this is better. That has like some...
This matches our current ones as well, right?
It does? Oh yeah, kind of, yeah.
Not exactly, but kind of.
Those are better. We also have this white one. Such difficult choices to make, yeah.
That's actually nicer.
हमारे 12 week challenge का फायदा.
Yes.
Update. हमको Costco में juicer नहीं मिला, so now we're going to another grocery shop. Where are you going?
Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
Not for juices. तुमने अपने लिए स्नैक्स ले लिए वहाँ से Costco में, मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं, तो उसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, so this guy is like super jealous of me. You know, जैसे जो हमारा भाई होता है जिसको हर चीज में तुमसे jealousy होती है,
it's
मेरे
not
को भी
jealous
चाहिए.
नहीं है.
Shush, shush, shush.
Stop
So he's
comparing
like
us
that.
to
I
like
think
brother and
it's weird, but you act like a younger brother sometimes.
No.
And I'm just like, what is wrong with him? Okay, and then after that we're gonna get a juicer. This is what we came for. It is very tempting. Guys, they have so many weird things here. Like, okay, cow pie, caviar, pineapple salsa. Then they put chips. Like, how do I not buy daily? Like, just how do I not end up shopping? Elderflower soda.
Okay, so this is a judgment-free zone. So we take whatever we want without judging each other. I'm letting you. So don't look at my basket.
Oh, he has a separate basket. Oh my god. I know he's gonna take some dumplings. Yep, he picked up his gyozas already.
The next day.
There. I know the vlog seems a little discontinued, but it's the next day. And I'm actually in the playroom, as you can see, of my building. And let's see if we can show you. We're in pageant mode. I'm filming some content here. You will see it on the Instagram of Conquer with Nikita Dhanwani. And I'm out of breath, guys. I don't know what it is because usually these heels are really comfortable, but these days my energy levels have been so low. I just cannot stay up late at night anymore. Maybe it has something to do with turning 30 or just my energy levels in general. I've been meaning to get my hormones checked for a while now, but I'm getting some really good content right now. The lighting is beautiful and we have these blue and turquoise walls in here. So the color is kind of working. I got this new thing, which I don't know what's called, like just sleeves to wear on top of my unitard. So it kind of gives like a different look to the outfit, even though it's the same unitard. I kind of get bored filming in the same outfits. That's just an ick that I have. Like I want to change outfits. So sometimes this is what you do. And it's pretty cool. I really do like that. And it's kind of protecting my arm from the sun. In one of the previous clips, I did talk about how I'm pretty burned here and you guys can still see the tan line. And this morning my skin's been peeling off, guys. It's a good thing, I guess, like it's finally healing, but I've never seen my skin peel off because of sunburn like that. I lived in Jaipur, guys, and that didn't happen ever. Loo lagti thi, but this did not happen. And I don't know, but would I do it all over again? Yes. I mean, I was so happy on the beach. I still miss Miami, and the recap mini vlog is going to come out really, really soon. So keep an eye on my IG for that as well. it's almost 9 p.m. and I was just in the kitchen. I needed to show you this. So Satvik is making his very famous, made famous by himself, momos ki chutney today. And this is like a whole pot of momo chutney simmering right now, and he's about to like add these ingredients. I have no idea what that is because he just won't tell me. He's such a secretive chef. And I'm just over here boiling some water, regular shit, making some pasta because that's all I can do on a day like this. And we have some spinach and mushroom that I'm about to put into it. We have this baking garlic bread, so I have to bake it in the oven for like 15 minutes, and I'm really excited. Apparently there's like some spread inside it also, and the fact that we have a vegan cheddar, and this is so good. It tastes so good, and I'm so happy I can have cheese in my life. I know this background seems very weird. Guys, we do not drink this much. This is not a representation, it's just we got a lot of wine bottles as gifts, and Satvik decided to buy these because these looked fancy. This shitty bottle is in the way. Like, my parents are coming in 2 days and I'm worried what are they gonna think about all these alcohol bottles on the fridge. Like, we haven't discussed like what are we gonna do with this.
We ordered the alcohol ka.
Yeah, but when is it coming?
Oh, it is coming after next week.
So when they enter the house for the first few days, this is just what they're gonna see, and then we'll find a table for it because why not?
ऐसा नहीं है. We'll just keep all of this inside, yeah. Why would we keep it outside for them to see? It'll be weird for them, yeah.
Hide.
Yeah,
I don't know. It's an interesting thing, you know. Sometimes you have to think about like, is this weird for my parent? Because they know we drink,
but it's still.
Do we still like do that? Like, it's something to think about.
Why do we want to put it on their face directly? Look.
Yeah, it's like non-veg for your mom.
हाँ, जैसे घर में आ रहा है तो क्यों?
I was telling them about your momo chutney. Do you want to talk about your secret recipe?
Please. No.
He won't tell me anything what's going on, but I'm very excited to try this momo chutney, and I'll probably show you when it's ready. Guys, we're able to see the chutney. It has shown its face to us. We've just added salt.
And wash our hands.
The chef is being really hygienic with this momo ki chutney.
A few moments later.
Fuck.
कुछ बोलना भी होता है.
मैं क्या बोलूं, dude? Words ही नहीं रहे. देख, what the fuck happened?
Dude, I have
It just
momo
flew.
chutney inside my shoe.
Yeah, and I had a proper heavy hand on it, dude. Still.
Don't defend yourself.
What the fuck?
Oh my, I'm spicy.
Stop walking around with those shoes. We have to clean everything up now.
Stop vlogging. Oh my god, my pasta.
Can you turn that off for a few seconds?
Why? I just need to put it.
Okay.
Stop it. We made it through. The food is ready. That's the final chutney. This is my creation. And our momos are about to get ready. Are you excited?
Yeah.